Hello everybody, it's Dr. Catrise Austin. I am so happy to join you today. It is November 1st. It's the end of National Dental Hygiene Month. You know, I had a blast all last month bringing you guys good oral hygiene tips and fun guests and all kinds of information for Dental Hygiene Month. But just because it's over, it doesn't mean that I am not going to continue to bring you those tips every single day, be it a video, be it something written, be it a photo. And so I wanted to join you guys today because it is now National Diabetes Month, okay? And they also call it, I heard, American Diabetes Month. So all month long, I'm going to interchange those two. But it's National Diabetes Month, and I became very passionate about the subject of diabetes about 3 or 4 years ago, because when I went to my routine checkup for my doctor, I learned that I was pre-diabetic. And I was so scared because my entire family, almost my entire family suffers from diabetes. And so as I started to learn even more, you know, I always saw my grandparents attending to their diabetes, be it taking insulin or watching their diets. But when it applied to me, I got super serious about paying attention to my own health. And as I started to do research, I really learned, and even from school, I learned that there is a big connection between your oral health and diabetes. Actually, diabetics are twice as likely to have gum disease, and actually advanced gum disease. So I it never really hit home until I started to learn a little bit more about diabetes and the connection between the two. And so I just started to learn more about it. A couple years ago, I wrote another book. It is called Winning the Fight Against Diabetes, which is also on Amazon. I just be writing all these books, right? So, but this one was really, really important and personal to me because when I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes, I really started to pay more attention to my health. I started to eat a little bit better. You see me wilding out sometimes, going to nice restaurants and eating some bad things every now and then, but I am in the gym. I'm trying to watch my weight and be a little bit more conscious about the sugar and the things that I put in my body. And I am trying to spread the message about oral health and diabetes. So after I got into this diabetes thing, I actually contacted the National Diabetes Association. I started to work with them and doing diabetes work and bring out awareness to the community. Started going out and speaking about the link between oral health and diabetes, which turned into me speaking to my colleagues about this subject so that they would learn more about it. And I also started to work with my favorite brand, Colgate, on their Colgate Watch Your Mouth campaign. And that happened about 2 or 3 years ago that I started working closely with Colgate and the National Diabetes Association. So this month, you guys will hear me talking about the links and why it's important. Like I said, there is a huge link between diabetes and gum disease. There's also a link in, if you do not take care of your oral health, how your diabetes will progress. So this month, I'm going to go wild and crazy, just like I did for Oral Hygiene Month, about sharing these tips on what diabetics, and I know in especially the Black community, we suffer, and Hispanic community, we suffer heavily from diabetes. So I am your gal. As I am, you know, I'm the queen of smiles. I am going to bring you guys all the information that you need to know so that you can watch your mouth, become more healthy, all the things that you need to be aware of with your oral health, and I will bring you those great tips. So I just wanted to give you my introduction. Is there any? All right, so anybody saying anything out there? Any comments?
Yes, we have Faith Brown.
Hi, Dr. Faith Brown. That is my partner in health, my girl. We're doing a lot of great things together. You should follow her, Dr. Faith Brown. She is a counseling psychologist. She's going to kill me. So, psychologist, and you will learn a lot from her. I actually need to probably be on her couch because I'm crazy as
She actually wrote something.
What did she write?
She wrote, "Love that you're discussing this particular with the holidays being just around the corner."
That is true. With the holidays, this is, if we're going to act up and eat sweets, this is about the time that we are going to do it. And be your conscious and make sure that you guys eat healthier, make the right choices, especially if you're diabetic. You should follow Dr. Faith because she actually just finished a 21-day challenge to show you the things that she does, because she has a fabulous body. She's just a gorgeous girl, a woman that is. So follow her for health and mental health and all types of subjects that will help you get through the holidays. She is great. I have to promote you because you are just thebomb.com. If you're suffering from grief, if you have depression, if you just need to talk to somebody, Dr. Brown is the person to speak to. So thank you, my love. You know I love you to death. Anybody else out there?
Miriam Monfine?
Miriam?
Miriam, she says, still gorgeous.
Oh, why, thank you, Miriam. How are you?
And
thank
Dr.
you for
Brown says, yes, LOL.
LOL. So, you know, my phones have been going really crazy. It is the end of the year, so I'm giving you guys fair warning. This is my busy season, so if you need a checkup, a cleaning, if you have flexible spending accounts and insurance that you have not used, now is the time to book. Use it or lose it, and the closer to December it gets, the worse my schedule is going to be. It's already getting crazy. So if you are a patient of mine and you have not been in this office all year, or you're overdue or due, call me today, 212-262-6054. Tomorrow I will start with some tips for diabetics and oral health, and I really look forward to you. And then in the meantime, pick up Winning the Fight Against Diabetes on Amazon.com. I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. I've been getting such positive feedback from my Facebook fans and Instagram fans. We've been actually getting calls, Instagram, Facebook. So keep watching. Love you guys. Bye. And just press stop. Okay.
Finished.
Awesome.